What's up, my peeps? It's your girl Sabrina, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. So I'm coming to you live and direct from Welcome to Jamrock Cruise. Yes, I was here last year and I'm here again, so it's my second year in a row. So as usual, this cruise is popping, and like I said last year, the same rules apply. If you're a true reggae fan, this is the cruise for you. You have to be really and truly like reggae in order to attend the Welcome to Jamrock Cruise. You can't just like reggae just a little bit, or maybe one or two songs. You know, you're in the club and one or two reggae come on and you could jam to it and stuff, whatever. You're like, yeah, I like reggae. No. You have to be a true reggae head in order to come to the Welcome to Jamrock Reggae Cruise, because it's reggae all day, every day. And of course, I'm bringing it to you guys. Here's my review on it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Peace out. I'm checked in. Let the fun begin. The fun.
Please have your seat pass card in your hand and available for the crew members who will be guiding you to your assembly station. Please note that all staterooms in all public areas will be checked to ensure that all guests attend this drill.
First job. Rastafari, ever living, ever faithful, ever sure. We do give thanks to the giving of thanks. How you feeling? God is good. One more year. God is definitely good. We do give thanks.
This is the sail away party. We didn't sail away yet. So peace out.
Nice of me right now. Anybody from the West Indies and the house make some nice of it now. United States, UK. She's a queen, yeah.
make the region in a lie of decision. Restraining the leaders with a rod of iron. Men know not the destiny of an next man. Why you earn? Standing free for good.